channel or a job, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're gonna start with your quantitative aptitude, that is your class 207, and that is your arithmetical ability. We are on problems on trade, where we had completed many of the important questions as well, that is we had discussed approx 30 to 32 questions in the last classes of this only topic, that is your problems or trade. So before starting with the same, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many and maximum people can get the information it was, and with you can also enjoy the video as well. Let's get started. So today we'll start discussing about 32th question, and that the question we have: a train takes 680 seconds to pass completely through a station 162 meter long and 50 seconds through another station 120 meter long. The length of the train is, options were 70 meter, 80 meter, 90 meter and 100 meter. So let's get started for the solution here. A train takes 80 seconds to pass completely through a station 162 meter long and 15 seconds to another station one 20 meter long. The length of the train is, this is the question here. Options were 70 meter, 80 meter, 90 meter and D is your 100 meter. So here we go. So if you are able to solve it, you can solve by your side, so that it will help you out. And if you are not able to, I will surely provide you the solution for the same. So let's go for it. Let the length of the train be x meter. Train be x meter. So x plus 162 upon 18 is equals to x plus 120 upon 15. 15 x plus 162 equals to 18 x plus 120. X equals to 90 meter. That will be having it as an answer. So the right answer is 90 meter. That is your C option. Now we'll go for another question, that is the another 33rd question of the session. The other question is, how many seconds will a 50 meter long train take to cross a band walking with a speed of 3 km per hour in the direction of moving train if the speed of the train is 63 km per hour? This has been asked in SSC examination paper. So for the same, the options we have 25, 30, 40 and 45. So let's get started with the same. So how many seconds will of a 500-meter long train take to cross a man walking with a speed of a man walking with a speed of 3 km per hour in the direction of the moving train. If the speed of the train is 63 km per hour. Options 1. This has been asked in SSC examination paper. Option we have 25, 30, 40, 45. Okay, so let's get started here. Speed of the train relative to man. Equals to 60 km per hour, which is 60 to 5 by 18 meter per second, 50 by 3 meter per second. Time taken to pass the man. Five hundred into 3 by 50 second equals to 30 second. That will get as an answer here. So here we go end up with this, and it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe, so that many Mexico people can get the information at once, and whether you can also enjoy the video as well. So stay tuned with us and please keep supporting us, so that we will provide you many more videos and many more topics that is really important for you all. This is 33rd question we had done. We'll discuss 34th question in the next coming class, which is in your that is your 208 class of the session. That is your 34th question of the session as well. So stay tuned with us and keep supporting us. Thank you. Hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box. Thank you.